Well, happy New Year, everyone. I know I'm about 2 weeks late to the party, but hey, it's still January, so I'm not that late. Hi guys, I'm Angie Knowles. I'm a mixed media textile artist, and I like to share with you my process, what I do, and how I do what I do. So if this is your first time here, thanks for coming by, and if you've been here before, thanks for coming back again. Now this is going to be a very short and sweet video. I just wanted to pop in and say hi and Happy New Year and let you know that I have some really cool things planned for the channel this year. Last year I didn't get to do as much as I wanted to do. I had a lot of extensive grandma duties that involved extended periods of time out of state, but this year it doesn't look like I'll have as much of that. So hopefully I get to stay home more and do more of what I do in my studio and to share that with you. So what I plan to do this year is to focus on surface design, and I can't go into a lot of detail just yet because I'm still working out some of the details, but I do want to focus more on surface design and create lots more videos of how I do what I do. If you like that idea, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell so that you don't miss any new videos I upload. As I said, short and sweet, so I just wanted to wish you a happy New Year and a beautiful day. Bye-bye now.